welcome to our channel. If you're new here, this is Craftship Wonders. In this video, we're going to make some paper bags with hydrodiptyl chart that we made in the previous video. Before going to the video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's move into the video. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a paper bag. So, to make the paper bag, I have taken chart here instead of paper because chart is much more steadier than paper, and even in the chart I have taken the hydro-dipped charts that we made in the previous video. If you didn't watch our previous video yet, I have shared the link in the description. You can check it out later. So guys, now I have drawn the template of the paper bag in the back side of the chart. Here you can see that I have drawn few lines. Let me tell you how to draw these lines easily. First, you fold this part in the back side of the chart and then you fold the whole chart in half. Now you can get the center line easily. If you got the center line means you can easily measure all the other lines. So guys, I have left one scale space between each line, and I also given the template of this paper bag in the description. Now let's start doing the paper bag. So guys, the first step is to fold all these lines. Now while folding in this part, we have to remember that we have to fold in the second line. Why? Because this part is going to be the base of the paper bag. So guys, now we folded the chart. So I am going to apply some glue in this side of the chart. After applying some glue in this side, we have to fold this thing like this and just paste this together. So guys, now I finished pasting the paper bag. Now I'm going to fold this thing inside the paper bag so that we can get strength while we are holding the paper bag. So guys, now this is the down part of the paper bag. Here you can see I have drawn two lines in it. Now I'm going to fold this thing like this. And then fold this thing inside the paper bag. So guys, now paste the base of the paper bag. Just unfold these two parts and apply some glue in it. So guys, now I pasted the base of the chart, and now I have taken some chart pieces and I folded it in half. Now I am going to place these chart papers in this folding that we made. So guys, now I am going to punch 2 holes in the upper part of the paper bag at equal distances in both the sides. I am using punching machine to punch the holes. So guys, now I punched 2 holes in each side of the paper bag. Now I am going to use some highlighters and insert these inside the holes. So guys, now I inserted the highlighters in the holes of the paper bag. Now to make the hanging of the paper bag, I have taken 2 threads and I made a knot in one side of each thread. Now I am going to insert this thread into the hole and I am going to again insert the other end of this thread in the another hole and I am going to make a knot. In this method we can do in the other side. So guys, now I finished doing the paper bag. It comes really nice. And you can see we also created the hanging for the paper bag, and now our paper bag is ready. So guys, we finally finished making different types of bags. We made this little one and this big one and this one and this too. Instead of using plain boring paper bags, we can make this such amazing paper bags at home with hydrotubed charts. And also, these bags are eco-friendly to the environment. If you like this video, please like, share and also subscribe to our channel. I will catch you in the next amazing video, guys.